Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Can you see the stain in that toilet? Isn't that disgusting? But you can also see the after. It's just beautiful. And how did we do that? Well, first I turned the water off, flushed the toilet. What we're going to do is remove the water, scrub that stain, and then we're going to paint the toilet with an epoxy appliance paint. And it really works and it lasts so long. It probably lasts forever. So now that the water's off, I'm going to use my plunger and I'm going to remove as much water from the bowl as possible. So we're going to push that plunger up and down, push it, pull it, and get as much water from the bowl as we can. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the shop vac, the wet vac, and just suck all the water off of the bottom of that bowl as we can possibly get out. Also, try to get it up into that jet. You know, where the jet comes out of the tank, blows that water. You want to get all that water out of there. Get this thing super, super dry. So now I'm going to use a scrub block. This thing is really coarse, and yes, it's going to scratch the toilet a little bit, but that's okay. Once we clean it back again, that will be perfect. It will accept the paint. Remember, we're going to use an epoxy paint that will not allow that mineral water to stick to it. So we want to scrub all the way around, under the rim, everywhere with this block. Okay, let's use a paper towel. It's going to help dry the toilet some more, but we also need to get that graphite that came off of that block out of there. Very important to get all of that little fine debris out of the toilet before we use the paint. Try to get it up into the neck of that toilet, also around the rim, and totally clean, one more time, the toilet. Now, a little secret tip. Make sure, if you're using a spray can like I am, that you shake that thing a good couple of minutes. You'll hear that ball go up and down, but make sure that it is totally mixed up. Now we just go ahead and lightly spray the epoxy paint all around the toilet. And you can see it's just cleaning it up. It'll be spotless and shiny here in just a few seconds. One other tip here, don't use a heat gun. After you've sprayed this and it's completely white again, do not use a heat gun. It will make it worse. It'll actually bubble the paint. Take a look at that. Look how clean that is. It's like brand new. Wow. So basically, don't waste your time on those rust removals. They don't work. Try to spray paint it. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a final flush. Let it fill up. Turn the water back on. Let it fill up. And we'll give it a final flush. This is a great project for the do-it-yourselfer, especially if you have those hard mineral water rust stains that you can't get rid of. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.